Next, I am going to discussion about the water distribution. Water distribution. So distribution of water resource in joint state. Then, so simply in the Telangana movement will be start as three reasons. One is appointments, second one is funds, and third one is the water. So I am going to discuss about the water distribution of water resources in joint states. Distribution of water resources in joint Andhra Pradesh. Distribution of water resources. So, distribution of water resources in joint Andhra Pradesh. The first we are going to discuss about the Bachawat committee. Here it's appointed, which is appointed in 1969. So, Bachawat committee, which is appointed in 1969. See, my dear friends, the state may set up the special tribunal to resolve the interstate water disputes. Interstate water disputes under the Article 261 Clause 1. Now, the first of all, we are going to discuss about the 261 Clause 6 article. 261 Clause 6 article. What is this article means? This article particularly give to the permission establish the Interstate Water Disputes Board. Interstate Water Disputes. 261 Clause 1 says interstate water disputes. Interstate water disputes. The state may be set up as a separate board, as a separate tribunal to resolve the interstate water disputes. So, this article give to permission establish the separate tribunal for the resolve the interstate water disputes. That is the Article 261. So, special tribunal to resolve interstate water disputes. Interstate water dispute. So Article 261 Clause 1 says the special tribunal to resolve the interstate water disputes. See, my dear friends, as a part of this, the government set up the Bachawat Tribunal in 1969. So, when the 261 Clause 1 article give the permission to establish the special tribunal for the resolution of the interstate water disputes. That's why in 1961 government established one separate special tribunal for interstate water disputes. Government established one tribunal for interstate water disputes under the chairmanship of Bachawat, in the period of 1969. In the period of 1969. Special tribunal under the chairman of Bachawat. Simply it says Bachawat Tribunal. So Bachawat in the period of 1969. Simply it says Bachawat Tribunal. Now I am going to explain about the Bachawat Tribunal. So this is the Bachawat Tribunal. Is a Bachawat Committee in the 1969. It is established under Article 261 Clause 1. So the tribunal is special tribunal under the chairmanship of Bachanawat. It is this tribunal is the water dispute tribunal. So Bachawat committee is one of the water dispute tribunal. It is the special water dispute tribunal on Krishna river. On Krishna river. So this tribunal, Bachawat tribunal appointed on Krishna river. On Krishna river. See my dear friends, the Krishna river is catchment area in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Bachawat tribunal separate the catchment area of 3 states. So according to Bachawat, catchment area of the Maharashtra, catchment area of the Maharashtra is 300 kilometers. 300 kilometers. That is the catchment area. On Krishna river. On Krishna river. So Bachawat committee on Krishna river appointed on Krishna river. So Bachawat committee identify the catchment area of Andhra Pradesh is 300 kilometers. Catchment area of Andhra Pradesh is 300 kilometers. Then Karnataka, catchment area of Karnataka is 480 kilometers. Catchment area of Karnataka is 480 kilometers. Catchment area of Andhra Pradesh. Catchment area of this is joint Andhra Pradesh, United Andhra Pradesh. United Andhra Pradesh catchment area is 700 kilometers. 700 kilometers of catchment area in Andhra Pradesh. This is the identification of the Bachawat committee. Bachawat committee identify catchment area of Maharashtra is 300 kilometers on Krishna. Catchment area of Karnataka is 480 kilometers. Catchment area of Andhra Pradesh is 700 kilometers on Krishna river. The Krishna river is estimated receive about the 2500 TMC's water based on the annual rainfall. Now this is the catchment areas of the 3 states. So secondary thing, how much water so received about the Krishna river? So how much water from Krishna? So Krishna river is estimated receive about 2500 TMCs of water based on the annuals. So Krishna river water is, so how much water in Krishna river? That is 2500 TMCs. 2500 TMCs. So how Bachawat committee calculated water in 2500 TMCs in Krishna means based on the annual rainfall. Based on the, so this is the based on the annual rainfall. Based on the annual rainfall, the total water is in Krishna river is 2500 TMCs. What is the meaning of the TMCs? What is the meaning of the TMCs? 1000 million cubic feet. 1000 million cubic feet is the TMCs. Total water of Krishna river is 2500 TMCs. So based on the annual rainfall, it is identified by the Bachawat committee. So this Bachawat committee allotted this 2500 of TMCs for 3 states. So you see that one. The committee allotted Maharashtra is 560 TMCs net. Maharashtra gets 560 TMCs net plus 250 TMCs of surplus. Two 50 TMCs of surplus. See, my dear friends, Krishna river water is totally 2500 TMCs calculated by Bachawat committee based on the annual rainfall. Maharashtra, it is distributed to 3 states. The share of Maharashtra is 560 TMCs of net water, 560 TMCs of net water plus 25 TMCs of surplus water plus 25 TMCs of surplus water. So then next Karnataka gets 700. The share of Karnataka. The share of Karnataka is 700 TMCs of net water. Karnataka gets 700 TMCs of net water plus 34 TMCs of surplus. 34 TMCs of surplus. The share of Maharashtra is 560 TMCs net plus 25 TMCs of surplus, and Karnataka share is 700 TMCs of net plus 34 TMCs of surplus. Andhra Pradesh share allotted to Andhra Pradesh, or Andhra Pradesh get 800 TMCs. 800 TMCs net plus 800 TMCs net plus 11 TMCs surplus. 11 TMCs in surplus. Maharashtra 560 TMCs net plus 25 TMCs surplus. The share of Karnataka is 700 TMCs net plus 34 TMCs of surplus. Andhra Pradesh get 800 TMCs net plus 11 TMCs of surplus. So this manner, Bachawat tribunal allotted the 560 TMCs for Maharashtra. So it is net water, and surplus water is 25 TMCs. 700 TMCs of net water allotted for Karnataka plus 34 TMCs of water, so 34 TMCs of surplus water allotted from Karnataka for Karnataka. So Andhra Pradesh 800 TMCs of net for Andhra Pradesh plus 11 TMCs of surplus for Andhra Pradesh. This is the allocation of the Bachawat tribunal. So this is the allocation of the Bachawat tribunal. Generally, now at right, the right to use surplus water is currently vested in the lower states. The right of surplus water is lower states. Andhra Pradesh is lower state of remaining 2 states. That's why Andhra Pradesh is eligible for utilization of the surplus water. Andhra Pradesh was eligible for the utilization of the surplus water. So, see my dear friends, there are some problems of the states. So in any conditions, any problems of this distribution, states have to eligible for go to the parliament, and parliament involved in this matter and settle the matter. So any act from the parliament. So the surplus water can be used by Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh eligible for the utilization of the surplus water according to these rules and regulations.